Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create this cool transparent text. Drag and drop your image into Photoshop. Duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl-J on your keyboard, or drag the layer into the new page icon at bottom left to duplicate, or just right-click to the layer and select the duplicate option. Then go to the adjustment, click the circle down below, and select solid color. Pick a color. For me, I will go with yellow background. Click on the yellow color on the shoe. Then press OK. If you turn off the visibility of the shoe, you will see the yellow background. Next, we are going to remove the white background from the shoe. To do that, go and select the Magic Wand tool. This tool selects only one color. So just click on the white background and it will automatically make a selection. And also make sure this icon is checked. Press and hold Alt key, then remove the shadow selection. Then select the lasso tool or press L on your keyboard. Right-click and select Cut. Delete the first layer. Press V on your keyboard. Adjust the size using Shift key and dragging the corners towards the center to fit. Go to one corner of the box, then rotate it as I am doing. Then press Enter. After that, select the Type tool, or press T on your keyboard to activate it. Then click anywhere and write anything. As for me, I choose to write Jordan 4. Go to the Windows section and drop down to Character. It will open a new panel where you can customize the text. Here you can change the font size, spacing, and so on. To position the text, double-click to select. Then go to one corner and move it. Press OK. Then duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl-J on your keyboard. Right-click on the copied text and select Convert into Shape. Then go and select the Rectangle tool. Go to Fill. Then select None. Go to Stroke, then pick White. Move the original text below the shoe to see the effect. The effect is applied in the whole text, such that if I move the shoe, it will still be the same. I am going to add a Roman number 4. I will just repeat the process. This is my final piece. You can see, if I move the shoe, the effect is still applied. To save the image, go to File, Save As. Then choose where to save. Select the format. For me, I chose JPEG. Then click Save. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment, and remember to subscribe to Madras Entertainment.